The balloon boat is easy to build. You need a milk carton, a toy balloon, a bendy straw, a rubber band, a pair of scissors and some glue. Firstly, you prick a hole in one side of the carton and cut away the whole side. Then you prick a hole in the bottom of the carton. This will be the rear of the boat, and the hole shall be close to the bottom of the boat. The hole must be just big enough for the straw to pass through and still be tight. Now you take the straw and the balloon. Slip the balloon over the straw. The opening of the balloon shall sit at the straw's concertina type hinge. Then take the rubber band and wrap it around the neck of the balloon in order to attach it to the straw. Finally, you push the straw through the hole. Use some glue to affix the straw and seal the hole. When you are near the water, you inflate the balloon by blowing into the straw. Hold tight so that the air stays inside. When the boat is in the water, you can release the straw and the air jet drives the boat forwards.